Welcome, today I am with OnePlus Nord CE 5G and I will show you how can I apply tempered glass on display in this phone. So, when you take a look on the screen, you can find that I have already installed protection. It's very thin foil. So you can remove this foil by using your fingernails. Just simply input your fingernail underneath this foil and then remove it. But I'm gonna leave this foil and apply on it the tempered glass to improve protection. You have to open the box with the tempered glass. Inside you will find the glass itself and the two wipes. Here we get wet and dry. At the first we are going to use the wet one to remove greasy marks, to remove fingerprints and other stuff. So just make a few moves in the circle, just like that. It's very simple. You can make it very quick. And after a few moves we can move to the dry wipe. We easily get rid of all of these greasy marks from the screen. Right now we have to remove these marks after the wet cleaning. And do the same few simple moves. And our screen is in a really good condition. So right now, when you finish with the wet and the dry cleaning, you have to grab the tempered glass. As you can see on this place, you can spot this kind of the sticker. So you have to grab the sticker like that, and this sticker will follow with this foil that is attached at the bottom of the screen. Remove it easily, and then you have to keep your screen like that, I mean the screen protection. And we are going to start from the upper section of the screen. So you have to keep holding the bottom part and leave the upper section of the display. I mean of the tempered glass, sorry for the misspell. Right now try to put it correctly for the both edges. And when everything is fine and you are sure that the glasses will apply evenly, you have to put the bottom part. Do it slowly, and there it is. Right now, just take a look. It goes automatically. You can press, of course, to make it a little bit faster. And right now, when you take a look closely, you will spot this kind of the marks. It's the glue mark. So to remove it, you can press with your fingernail, and as you can see, it's disappear. So I'm gonna make it for the whole screen. Okay, and right now when you finish, you can finally check if the screen works smoothly. As you can see in my case, there's no any problem, so no problem with the touch interaction. So basically you don't have to be afraid of applying the tempered glass on OnePlus Nord CE 5G. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.